It's a chicken egg! Chicken's an egg! I fall. Up.
You don't want me to help you?
I help you guys. It's flat. Okay.
You ready? You ready to do it?
Yes.
Alright.
Can we take it for? Okay.
Say hello. My children are in a mood. They're being honest. Have a kiss. Can I have a kiss? What do you think about me putting this in Phoenix's hair? It's some temporary hair color. Thinking about it. Can I put this in your hair? He said no. Say hello.
Hello. Can we paint?
You want to open this?
Open.
Open box?
Open box. Can we say open?
It's a pink box? Yes, it's a pink box. So let's open our pink box. You have to take this sticker off. Uh-oh. Tia. Never mind. We're gonna open the box. And I have Phoenix and I have a Lark to help me with this unboxing. I'm trying. You went and washed your hands?
I did, yeah.
Okay, we opened the box.
What?
Wow.
Why are you walking?
Yeah, I know it broken.
You're walking.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can you pop it open? Okay, look. So it says Glam Bag Plus. And everything in there is protected by blue foam. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Holy crap. Alright, we had an accident. The drink spilled. Alright. There's so much stuff on y'all's way today. I'm sorry. Okay, Liquid Velvet. It's a liquid lipstick by Siache. I think that's how you say that. Okay, baby, calm down. Of course, Phoenix likes the foam. Alright, this is Tetris by Ipsy. There's a fly. Can I see this? Double brush mascara. What would you like? You want to get down? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, go on. I love you. Alright, and the last item is a pack of eye brushes by Farah. F-A-R-A-H. I think it's Farah. I love these brushes. I get them a lot in my regular Ipsy bags. But this is an entire set. And I do like the color, this bright silver. I'm sorry about the angle of this video. The kids really wanted to see you guys. They were not having it. The kids were not having it when I told them that I was filming and they could not be in it. So that's why they were in it.